Let's see how to read an Excel file in Python. We will use a library called Pandas that will make our life really simple for this task. First, we need to install Pandas using pip. And let's now import Pandas to our program. Now I have my Excel file in this folder, and here is the content of the file. So to read the file, we can use the function read Excel from Pandas. We need to pass the path of the file as a parameter to this function. So to get the path of the file, I'll press on the Shift key. Then, while holding the Shift key, I'll right-click on the file. And now we can copy as path. And let's paste the path. And of course, we need to replace the backslashes with double backslashes. This function returns a data frame, and that's what we now have in the df variable. Let's print this variable. And if we run the program, we can see all of the content of the Excel file. Notice that Pandas added an extra column at the left, but this is just the way that Pandas handles its data frames, and it's not really part of the data. If we want to create a graph of this data, we can save the content of each of the columns in a different variable. And then we can use pyplot to create the graph. And if we run the program now, we get a graph that visually shows the data from our Excel